iPhone 16 and 16 Plus charging limit option 80, 90 and 95%. So we have to give them some charging recommendation and slow charging warning in your device. So this video is for you when you have to know about all of the feature and what is the recommendation for this uses of this feature. So Apple has introduced likely enhanced charging limit option for iPhone 16 and 16 Plus and set as a limit 85%, 95%, 90%, 100 and 80%. So this limit option will be give them a for if you have to use this 80% ideal for users who frequently charge this device overnight or to extending of your period. And if you want to 85% use this a balance option for users who want to bit more battery life without a fully charging. Okay. If you want to 95% prefer in your device suitable for those who need to extra battery capacity throughout the day but still want to maintain some level of your battery health. And if you set as a 95% best for users who require maximum battery life on a daily basis and can manage potential prolong of your degradation. Okay, so that's how you can set up your and how you can set this limit. I will show you step by step. First of all, I have to close this setting app in my device, and now again I have to go to setting, battery, and here we have to see charging. So here you have to set up your like this. I have to set my limit 85%, 95%, 90% and 80%. So that's how I have to set my limit in my iPhone 16. Okay, so this feature will be available in your iOS 18. Firstly, you have to see your iOS settings updated of your device or not. So this introduce a feature that warn users may have a slow charging has been used. If your device has been charging slowly, an orange indicator will be appear in your battery graph within the setting app. Like I have to show you here. So they are the battery graph of your general. So along with the slow charger warning, it certain threshold and met. This is particularly used for identifying underperforming charging that may not be delivering optimal speed, and especially with MagSafe accessories that might only support a key speed. So by utilizing this new feature and recommendation, users can effectively manage their iPhone charging habit to prolong battery health and while ensuring they have enough power for our daily activities. So thank you.